Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity knows no bounds and every pencil stroke tells a story. Join me, Rosie, as we embark on a journey exploring the intricate beauty of braids and the whimsical charm of curly hair through the art of pencil drawing. Welcome to our sanctuary of imagination. Today we dive deep into the enchanting world of hair, where each strand holds a universe of possibilities waiting to be brought to life on paper. Behold the artistry of braids, a symphony of twists and turns that captivate the eye and inspire the soul. With every stroke of pencil, we pay homage to the elegance and intricacy of this timeless hairstyle. And now let us dance with the curls and each one a celebration of freedom and individuality. As we sketch these playful spirals, we embrace the joy of expression and the beauty of embracing our natural selves. As our masterpiece takes shape, let let us remember that art is not just about what we see, but how it makes us feel. Through our creations, we weave story of beauty, strength, and unity. Join me next time for more artistic adventures by Rosie, where we continue to explore the boundless wonders of creativity. Until then, keep dreaming, keep creating, and let your imagination soar. Thank you very much.